Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 10th, 2017. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures flying higher today. Futures right now are up about 12.5 points to 23.79 per contract. Again, we just had the non-farm payroll report released. It looks like the number was slightly better than expected, and the markets are rejoicing over it. So again, futures are up. They were actually higher before the job number even was reported. So they're only a little bit higher, maybe by about 3 or 4 points higher on the futures from when the job announcement was released. So all in all, futures are trading higher, and we'll see how this market plays out today. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. First one we're going to take a look at is Finisar. FNSR is the ticker symbol. This stock closed at $34.90 yesterday. They reported earnings. Stock is now trading at $28.95. Briefly got down to around $27. I am going to have levels ready for Finisar in the intraday stock chat room. So again, we will look to be playing this name today. So let's keep it on the radar. Finisar is in play. Now, in sympathy to Finisar, sometimes you could see stocks like Palo Alto Networks, PANW, they could be down in sympathy. CyberArk, they could be down in sympathy. But we're not seeing that movement, so it looks like it is Finisar specific today. So, again, we're going to keep it on the radar, and we'll see how it plays out. Another name we'll be looking at today is going to be Ulta Beauty, or Ulta Salon as it used to be called. ULTA is a ticker symbol there. This stock closed at $273.77. It is now trading at $267. Did sell off sharply down below the 260 level briefly after the close yesterday. It has now popped back up a little bit, so pairing those losses, but it is still negative on the session. I'll try to have some levels worked out for us there in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at Verifone. Ticker symbol is PAY, P-A-Y. Stock right now is trading at $20.19. We'll see how this plays out. I will have some levels for us in the intraday stock chat room. I'm leaning more towards the 1850 area. So we'll keep that on the radar. If it gets down to 1850, there could be a play there for Verifone Systems. So we'll see how that goes. Next up, we're going to take a look at Pollo Loco, El Pollo Loco. Ticker symbol is LOCO, which is Loco. And right now, this stock is trading at $10.85, closed at $11.35. Again, there is some support around the $10 area. If it does get there, we'll look at it. I'm not sure how we're going to play this one. But this is a light volume name, meaning it rarely trades 1 million shares a day. It will generally trade between 100 and 200,000, sometimes a little bit more, but always under 1 million. So again, you want to be a little bit careful with that stock, but we'll see how it plays out. Next on my radar is going to be Buckle, BKE. This is a retailer, I believe. Stock's trading at $17.05, closed at $17.30. No big deal there. Nothing to do till we get to $16. We're going to take a look at Zumz, another retailer, ZUMZ. The stock is trading at $18.35, closed at $21. The only level that really interests me for Zumz, and this is a hard trade too, because it trades under 1 million shares a day, but it would be around $18.40, $18.30. Down there, I would consider it, so we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see if that plays out. Let's take a look at Vail Resorts. Ticker symbol is MTN, Mountain. And you're going to see that they came out with earnings. Stock had a big pop, has come all the way back down. Right now it is trading at $185.60. It's still higher than where it closed. It closed at $180.44, but this has definitely come back in. So we'll have to keep an eye on this one today and see where it goes. Again, this is another light volume name, generally trading between 200 and 500,000 shares a day. Anytime you have those light volume stocks, they could go all over the place. I did work out some levels if we do completely fade, but I'll give them out in the intraday stock chat room simply because I just don't know where we are at this stage of the game. Stock is pulling back quite nicely at the moment. So we'll keep it on the radar. Around the 170 level, though, I do get interested in Mountain, which is Vail Resorts, but we'll look at this with a more defined level once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see what it's all about. We should have some good plays this morning, and we'll see how this market plays out with the futures being higher. Let's take a look at the gold market today. Gold futures trading down just $1.20 to $1,202 an ounce. A little while ago, gold futures were below $1,200. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, what you'll see here is that is trading at 114.48. This is still a good gold ETF, but you can see how it has gone higher. What's the reason? Why did it pop? It's very simple. Once the job number was released, the dollar started to decline. And the dollar goes down, gold will go higher. That's kind of the way it works. Next up, we'll take a look at crude oil. Crude oil is getting a bounce today, up about 61 cents to $49.90 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see that trading at around $10.59, up a little bit from yesterday's close. And we're going to keep an eye on oil. Oil's had a very, very volatile trading week, and we'll see where we go there. All right, I think I've covered everything that I had this morning. We'll be looking at this market closer once the opening bell rings. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We're having an excellent 2017, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the month and also into the end of the year. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you will see what it is all about. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.